Okay, we have a Romi CNC combination teach lathe, model M17, serial number 002-084726-403. This machine was new in 2000. It's original paint, and we're gonna run her for you. Machine has a FANUC, GE FANUC 21 IT control, which has manual guidance, software, toolpath, 3D part, shape graphics, teach mode, conversational, and G-code. We have a 3000 RPM spindle with a CAMLOCK D16. That's 750. You have a 2-inch hole through the spindle. Thousand RPM. Machine's nice and quiet. Machine has 43 inches between centers. 1500 RPM. So you have a tailstock, manual tailstock. You also have on the carriage a Duplomatic turret. He's moving the x-axis, and we moved the Z before. He's rapiding it. You have hearted and ground ways. He's rapiding the Z. He's turning on the hand wheel function. He's indexing the turret. You have a enclosure, so now we're going to show you the tailstock. That's your tailstock quill. Tailstock quill is number 4 Morse taper, and you have about 4.7 inches of quill travel. All right, I think you've seen it. Hey, oh, there's a steady rest on the floor. We have a steady rest for the machine. Hey, thank you for watching our video.